Hello guys, and today we wanna talk about a topic which SEO tool is based for SEO audit or SEO CSEO metrics. So let get started. Here is I select the two extensions today. One is SEO checker by Sekhlo and Aitdk SEO extension. These two SEO extension is good competitor. So here is the extension. It's created by a Pakistani SEO expert, and here is Aitdk company, I think. So I add both extension here. Here one is here and one is here. So we just search a keyword like Chicago roofing, and here is the result, and we open a website. Here is the website. Before this, here is the overview of domain overview, visits, domain created, age, and so many stuffs are here. It is from the SEO checker by Sekhlo. And when you open this, and here is a toolbar. Here is for SEO checker Sekhlo toolbar, and here is you check all of the things like DR, DA, backlink, referring domain traffic, and keyword. Also, your domain age or spam score also. And if you want, you check it from click on here. This is score and the problem, and you can generate a report. One click report from this report button, and here is the technical section, and here is the content analysis, and here is the improve headings section, and here is the links of the domain and GMB. Here is not it is not free, maybe it is paid. You can check and comment me on this video. And here is the geo analysis, here is the rankings, and here is the domain overview and domain details, all details like ISP, who is hosting company purchase this domain, this website hosted, and the location, the time zone, and the name server also, and also the DNS server and SSL certificate, and so many stuffs. And also Aitdk is a good extension. Like here is you see the overview. Here is so many details on this tab, and here is the traffic tab. Also, I just inform you this traffic is not relevant like the SEMrush or href. It is just not accurate. Okay, you just check from SEMrush or href. Also, here is the issues and details. Here is the sharp features, and here is the density, keyword density, and here is the word count. Also, here is the headings of this page, and here is the image alter tag or and details. Here is the links, unique links, internal, external, do follow, no follow. Also, here is the social media details. So here is the health structured data, also is data, DNS. Here is some settings, and here are some paid overview like archive. It is free, but similar web SEMrush is, or you can check from click on here the website speed or so many stuffs. So thanks, and the two tools are absolutely free. You can use for your take a quick overview, and you can generate a report from these tools for one click. Like here is a save on PDF. Sorry, I'm clicking on before loading so that it's show like all is blank. Here is the report like So you can save it, and here is a quick report also. So thanks, and if you like my video, please thumbs up, and also subscribe my channel. And if you need any SEO help, or grow your business, or currently local business, then you can reach out me. I will help you. So thanks. If you need a advance audit report in free, just reach out me, or send an email. I will send you audit report and action plan. Thanks.